Hello students, I am Garima from BCM School Basant Avenue, Dugri. Today we will learn how to multiply numbers. Okay children, so let's see how to multiply numbers. First of all, I am taking an example of a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So let's see how to multiply these two numbers. So we will multiply this multiplier with the ones place first of this number, multiplicand. So what is 7 twos? 7 twos is 14. So we will write 4 over here and 1 will be carried over on the next place. Then we will multiply this number by the tens place number. So 7 nines is 63. Now add this 1 to the 63, it will become 64. So we will write 64 like this because we are having no other number over here. So 64 will be written in this way only. So our answer will become 644. Similarly, if we want to multiply a 3-digit number by 1-digit number, we will proceed in the same way. First of all, we will multiply 8 by 1's place. Then we will multiply 8 by 10's place and then 8 by 100's place. So let's start. What is 8 twos? 16. So we will write 6 over here and 1 will be carried over. Then what is 8 sevens are? 56. 56 plus 1 will be 57. So 5 will be carried over and 7 will be here. Fine. Then 8 twos is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So our answer is 2176. Now we will see how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. Okay. The process is same. Only what we have to do is to proceed place wise. So we have to proceed from the ones place first. Even in the multiplier also we will start with the ones place digit. That is 2 here. First of all, we will multiply 2 by 15. And in the second step, we will multiply 1 by 15. So let's proceed with this. First of all, we will multiply 2 by 15. So what is 2 fives is 10. So 1 will be carried over. The same way, 2 ones is 2 plus 1 is 3. So our first step is over. Now in the second step we have seen that ones place is over now. So we will put a cross over ones place. Now we will not write our number over here because the ones place process is over. Now we have to start from the tens place number. So we will start writing our answer from the tens place only. Let's see what is 1 fives, 5. And what is 1 ones, it's 1. Now we will not add this carry over. This has been already added, so we will not add it again. So let's have our answer. We will add these two numbers now. Now these two numbers will be added to get the product of 15 and 12. So let's see. Now 0 ke niche kuch bhi nahi, so 0 will remain 0. Okay. Then 3 plus 5 is 8 and 1 will remain 1. So our answer is 180. Similarly, for 13 multiplied by 13, we will start from ones place. So 3 threes is 9 and 3 ones is 3. Our ones place step is over. So put a cross over ones place. Now 1 threes is 3 and 1 ones is 1. Okay. So let's add these two numbers. 9 will remain 9 only. What is 3 plus 3? 6. And 1 will remain 1. So children, have you seen how much easy it was? So for more concept clarity, practice well. God bless you. Thank you so much.